today we're going to learn how to create a free AI agent for social media posting. Yes, you can build this AI agent for free who is going to post on your social media platform regularly. So let's see how to create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow build inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can post on your social media 100 of times for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. What you have to do, just click on this buy plan. You first have to select your plans and then click on this have a coupon code. Now simply type the coupon code, which is RITYT in uppercase format, and click on this apply button. Now this coupon code is applied successfully and you're going to see we are going to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as scheduled by Pabbly, which is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to schedule your workflows. Now for the event, select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. It is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I want to run this workflow every day, so I've selected every day, and now for the time I'm just going to select it as 1 p.m. and click on this save. Now every day at 1 p.m. this workflow is going to run, and further it is going to generate the post content and post it on my social media platform. And yes, you can create this for free. For that you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini, or you can use ChatGPT also in order to generate the post content. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just go on your Google AI Studio. Now once you're on this Google AI Studio, what you have to do, from the left hand of the side, go on this get API key section and click on this create API key button. Now you have to name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, and as you can see, my key is created. Oh, here's my API key, so I'm just going to copy the key and paste it right over here in my workflow. After we paste this key, we have to click on the save button, and our Google AI Studio is connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this amazing connection, we can enter the text right over here, which is the prompt using which we are just going to generate the post content. So to get this prompt, I'm just going to use my previous workflow. As you can see that I've already entered this prompt right over here, so I'm just going to copy and paste this same prompt. If you also want this amazing prompt, the workflow URL of my workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and get the prompt yourself. As you can see that this is the prompt which I am just going to use, and in this prompt I've mentioned all the details related to my own Facebook page using which I am just going to generate all the post content. Okay, so now after we enter the prompt, we have to select the model right over here and the method. So for the model, I'm just going to keep it as Gemini 2.5 Flash only, and then for the method, I'm just going to keep it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. And once we're going to click on this save and send test request, it is going to generate us the post content over here. If you can see that we have successfully received this post content which says feeling the content creation crunch, imagine generating brilliant ideas, drafting compelling copies, and even optimizing for SEO in a fraction of time. So as you can see that we have received over here, which is the caption which we're going to further post on our social media. And we didn't waste the time to generate this caption. We just entered the prompt and it is generated successfully. So how is it useful? Because not only generating the caption, but it is going to also post it on your social media directly. You have to click on this add new action step and select your social media. So over here, I'm just going to use Facebook right now. So I'm just going to to search for Facebook and select it right over here. You have to make sure when you search for Facebook, you have to select Facebook pages over here. For the event, you have to select it as create a post and then click on this connect. Now, if you've already created a connection between Facebook and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Now, you have to make sure that your Facebook page is logged in before starting with the automation. If not, Pabbly is going to first ask you to log in your account and then you can click on this continue button once you see your account name right over here. Once you click on this continue button, your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, we can move on further. First of all, it is going to ask us to select the page name. So in my Facebook account, I have multiple pages and I want to create this automation for a single page, which is digital dynamics. So I'm just going to select the same right over here, which is digital dynamics. So let's just search for it and select it. Now for the message, which is the caption, Gemini has generated it, so I'm just going to enter the same. But always a hack that you don't have to enter it by typing it like this or by copy pasting it, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? Mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map this caption, we have to put a slash and then simply open the response of Google AI Studio and map it like this. Now it is saying link URL, so if you wish to map any link, you can map it right over here. Otherwise, just click on this save and send test request. And you're going to see we have received a positive response that we have successfully posted this on our Facebook. So let's just open our Facebook and let's just refresh this page. And yes, this new post is posted with the hashtags and with the same caption. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we created right now. Now every day at 1 p.m. Google AI Studio is going to generate the captions and it will be posted on my Facebook pages automatically. So like this, we have learned how to create a free AI agent for social media posting. I use Facebook as my social media platform. You can connect many more applications further. You can connect Instagram. You can also generate images using your AI agent. You can also connect Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. It totally depends upon you. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video, the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you found this video helpful, do hit the like button and do check the discount coupon code. And apart from that, for more automation tips and tutorials like this, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. We have enough videos where you can learn how to automate your social media posting. Not only social media posting, but much more. You can check it out on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.